Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to walk you through creating your own print-on-demand website using Wix. This is perfect for anyone looking to sell custom products without handling inventory or shipping. I will take you through the whole process step by step. So let's get started. First of all, head over to wix.com and sign up or log in. Wix is known for its simple drag and drop website builder, making it a popular choice for beginners and pros alike. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one now. If you are serious about your print on demand business, I recommend it considering one of Wix's premium plans. These plans give you access to more storage and customization options. And most importantly, they let you connect a custom domain for a more professional look. Now that you are logged in, let's start by choosing a template for your store. Create a new site, select online store as your website type, and you will see tons of template. I recommended picking a clean, minimalist layout that puts the focus on your products. You don't need to worry about choosing the perfect template right away since you will be able to customize everything later. Just pick something that has the basic structure you are looking for. Next up is integrating a print on demand provider. This is essential because it allows you to create custom products, manage orders, and handle fulfillment automatically. Go to the Wix app market by clicking the icon on the left and search for apps like Printful or Printify. Both Printful or Printify are popular and reliable. They offer a wide range of products, including apparel, home decor, accessories, and more. Choose one based on your needs. Printful is known for higher quality, while Printify has a larger network of supplier. With the app connected, we are ready to create our first custom products. Head to the Printful or Printify dashboard in your Wix account. From here, you can choose products to customize. Let's go ahead and select a t-shirt. Make sure your designs are high resolution and look good on all colors, especially if you plan to offer multiple color options. If you are not a designer, check out tools like Canva or even hire a freelancer to create high quality designs. Once you have products set up, it's time to make your website look amazing. Go back to the Wix editor where you can customize every part of your site. Let's start with a homepage. This is where you will make a first impression on customers. Consider adding Consider adding sections for featured products or a banner with a call to action like a sessional sale. Keep the design simple to help the products stand out and make sure your font and color scheme match your brand. Next, let's set up your payments and shipping options to customers can buy your products. Go to settings, then click accept payments to connect a payment gateway like PayPal or Stripe. This will allow customers to pay using credit cards, PayPal, and other popular methods. Make sure to review any fees associated with the payment processor and factor them into your pricing to maintain your profit margins. Now let's configure shipping. Go to store settings, then shipping. Choose your shipping rates based on the print on demand provider's shipping policy or set up custom rates if you want to offer options like free or express shipping. Finally, it's time to preview and publish your site. Click preview at the top of the editor to see how your site will look to visitors. Test out the navigation, check your product pages, and make sure everything is working smoothly. If everything looks good, hit publish in the top right corner to take your site live. Now your print on demand website is ready to share with the world. And that's it. Now you have a fully functional print on demand website on Wix. You can promote it on social media, run ads, or even use email marketing to attract more customers. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more tips on building your online business.